Hi, this is Jay with Jantech, and this is good stuff to know. Let's set the record straight. There really is no such thing as maintenance free. Yes, your UPS system has been provided with valve regulated or AGM batteries, which are sealed batteries, but they're not maintenance free. According to IEEE 1188, those batteries require scheduled maintenance quarterly, semi-annually, annually, should actually be checked weekly. Most maintenance programs are tailored to meet whatever the client's requirements or needs are. A lot of data has to be collected on those batteries. Voltages, string voltages, internal impedances, interjar resistances. We need to do a visual inspection for any damage to the battery or any pressure relief valves that may be popped. So there's a fair amount of information that needs to be collected on those batteries on a very scheduled and routine basis. Provided you do scheduled and planned maintenance, you should be able to get 4 to 6 years typically out of those valve regulated batteries. Schedule your maintenance or it'll schedule you.